Today in the grain market, soybeans were firm. The traders are waiting for news on any kind of a trade deal. Just any headline at all is really what they're hoping for. So the market has really traded on both sides of unchanged, and maybe now it's just a little bit easier though. Even if a deal does come though, South American weather has improved and will definitely put a lid on any kind of significant rally. That being said, the market looks relatively strong right now. Now corn slipped a little bit today. Is first notice day is upon us. Not today and a Friday. It's going to be upon us very quickly, and with it the end of the month and the holiday, that's got everyone kind of like taking a look at the market here. But it is pressuring the market. It was down like a little more than 3 cents today, but that's still relatively steady. Traders are just like rolling their December positions into the 2020 contracts, and the holiday is kind of like stalled the markets from any kind of rally right now. Trade deal news is still really the focus here, but let's not forget that there's that big storm out there, and if the storm is here to stay, it could be very difficult to get the rest of the harvest in for corn and soybeans, and it will be springtime before we get that in. That's going to really like throw the numbers off that we're normally used to, so that's going to create its own challenges going forward. Wheat today was easier as well. The record high world ending stocks are really what's kind of putting a lid on the market. Everything really is kind of bearish for wheat, so it's a surprise that this rally happened at all, but it was really driven by that increased export sales. They're up 66% compared to last year, and that was the one big thing that happened. And the market's a little bit thin. You get a couple of algorithms in there and really push the market up to much, much higher than anyone had thought. But otherwise, the rest of the fundamentals are, a little bit on the low side, and that's why we see the market kind of pulling in a little bit. Certainly this would happen right before a holiday anyway, so we see everything off just a little bit, but a Friday it could be a scramble since we do have a half day, so we're going to watch that closely.